Imagine that starting tomorrow, you never drink water again. Not a single drop. Every glass, every bottle, every sip replaced with Coke. At first, this doesn't sound like a huge problem. After all, Coke is mostly water. So what could possibly go wrong? Well, for the first day, probably not much. In fact, you might actually feel pretty good. The caffeine makes you feel more awake, the sugar gives you a quick burst of energy. If the experiment ended after 24 hours, you might think water is completely overrated. But day 3 is where things start getting strange. You're drinking plenty of liquid. Yet somehow, you feel thirsty more often. That seems impossible. How can you be drinking all day and still feel thirsty? The answer is sugar. A single can of Coke contains about 10 teaspoons of it. Every time that sugar enters your bloodstream, your body has to work to keep everything balanced. And balancing all that sugar requires water, which means the drink you're using to hydrate yourself may actually leave you wanting even more fluids. But thirst isn't the only problem. Something else is happening inside your mouth. Every sip of Coke contains acid. Not enough to burn you, but enough to slowly wear away the protective enamel covering your teeth.
And unlike a broken bone, enamel doesn't grow back. Once it's gone, it's gone. Then comes week 2. By now, your body has gotten used to something new: caffeine. Every day, your brain expects it. Miss a few cans, and you may start feeling headaches, fatigue, irritability. Not because your body needs Coke, but because it's adapting to the caffeine inside it. And that's when many people realize something surprising. They're no longer drinking Coke because they enjoy it. They're drinking it because they feel worse without it. Then there's your blood sugar. Every can creates a spike. Your body responds by releasing insulin.
Then the sugar falls again. Then another can arrives, another spike, another response. Again and again and again. Like revving a car engine all day without ever letting it rest. But the most important thing isn't the sugar, or the caffeine, or even your teeth. It's what you're missing: water. Because every cell in your body depends on it. Your brain, your muscles, your blood, your kidneys, everything. For millions of years, humans evolved drinking one thing above all else: water. Not soda, not energy drinks, not coffee. Water. Which is why replacing it completely creates a problem no product was designed to solve.
Now, would drinking only Coke kill you immediately? Probably not. People can survive surprisingly long periods getting most of their fluids from other drinks, because Coke does contain water. But surviving isn't the same thing as thriving. You might continue functioning, going to work, talking to friends, living your life, all while your body quietly works harder to compensate. And that's what makes this experiment so interesting. The danger isn't that everything suddenly falls apart. The danger is that it doesn't, because the changes happen slowly. One sip at a time, one day at a time, 1 year at a time. So the next time you drink a glass of water, remember something. It may look boring, it may taste like almost nothing, but every civilization in human history was built around it. Every human who has ever lived depended on it. And despite all the drinks we've invented, your body still knows the same thing it knew thousands of years ago. Nothing replaces water. And if you make it till here, subscribe and check out other videos appearing on your screen.